Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw capital letter alphabets. First we draw the letter of A. A for apple. Now we draw the letter of B. B for ball. The next one is C. C for cow, C for cat. Now we draw the letter of D. The next one is E. E for egg, E for elephant. Kids, now we draw F. F for fish. The next one is G. G for goat. Now we draw the letter of H. The next one is I. Now we draw J. J for jackfruit. Now we draw the letter of K. K for kite. And the next one is L. L for lion. The next one is M. M for moon. M for mango. Now we draw the letter of N. N for nose. Kids, now we draw O. O for orange. And the next one is P. P for penguin. Now we draw Q. Q for queen. The next one is R. R for rice. Kids, now we draw S. S for snake. The next one is T. T for tiger. And now we draw the letter of U. U for umbrella. Now we draw V. V for vanilla, V for van. Now we draw W. Kids, now we draw the letter of X. X for X-ray. And now we draw Y. Y for yolk. The last one is Z. Z for zoo, Z for zebra. Today we draw capital letter alphabets A to Z. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.